Alpha Magazine has been around for about 17 months now, and it was about time that we hosted our first event for readers, and we thought a quiz would be a good way to start off 2013. The Knowledge is a series of 5 quizzes that we'll have across the city. This is the first one, and from the response we've got, we probably will have to host more of these events. I just had a chat with most of the teams and they love it, and hopefully we'll have more than 5 this year. The magazine is aimed at 25 to 35-year-olds, so we thought it fits right in with what we do here at Alpha.
You're on 51.5, the Smarty Pints. But the winners by 4 points are the 4 squares, 55.
We felt great. Yay! Event was brilliant. It was very good. Excellent, excellent quality. Thank you, Alpha. Thank you, Alpha. Thank you, Gulf News.
Every single night, I could tell you a thing about taking your time.